Good morning, Sarah Dybel here. Just going to let you in on another little wonderful formula that I'll be selling at the clinic this year. This is called AV-AT and Flu-X from Panacea. And they have wonderful herbal formulas. And you would take 3 every 3 hours if you started getting sick. And you do that for 24 hours. Then you titer down to 3 twice a day of each. And once you've opened them, you should store them in the fridge or in the freezer for long term. So just to have them on hand. So sometimes you don't quite finish the bottle up, right? You've got some extras left in there. And in order to keep them as fresh as possible, because they're nice little fresh dried herbs and you don't want them to oxidize and react with oxygen. So to keep them the most potent, it's best to keep them in the fridge or freezer post opening. I would say if you're taking them for a few days, it's probably, and just to keep them where you're going to remember them, probably not that important for the fridge. But when you didn't finish it up and you need to store it for another 6 months or say a year, because no one's sick, because you saw me for the flu clinic, that'd be a lovely way to store them. Once again, they have wonderful formulas, which I email out to you guys who are coming to my flu clinic. You can use the AV-AT and Flu-X for shingles. You can also see me, and often within one visit, I can take people's pain level down from like an 8 or 9 out of 10, down all the way down to a 1 to 0 out of 10. It's really impressive. And shingles are wonderful that I can treat and help and reduce the pain in a single session. It's really amazing. The other thing is the AV-AT can be used for skin tags. Our body uses skin tags to store toxins into, and so you can take it long term to try to get rid of skin tags, and it has wonderful results with that. These are formulated by a company that is founded by a very brilliant man named Daniel Weber or Weber, I'm not sure how he says his name, but he's really committed to using evidence-based medicine around formulas. So he says he lists references and published material that supports why he used each herb in each formulation. So once again, if you're coming to the flu clinic this year, you can order these or buy the ones that I have on hand. You just keep them around in case anyone gets sick, and you keep them in the fridge once they're opened and used. And I'm going to be taking one of these little pills, one of each, twice a day while I'm doing the flu clinic in order to keep my immune system up. I'm handling the flu virus when I'm working with you guys continually, and I'd like to stay well during this flu clinic. So once again, with repeat exposure like what I do in the clinic, I'm going to be boosting my immune system with these lovely pills for the season. So as a parent, if someone falls sick in your house and you're the one single person standing trying to do all the laundry and keep up and nurse everyone back to health, get yourself on 2 of these or 1 of each twice a day. Get them in, support your system, and talk to me if you have any issues. And if someone gets actively sick in your family and you can't get well, give me a call. I often, with the techniques that I use in the office, can significantly reduce people's illness times. And I hope to see you guys in the flu clinic this year and to continue to provide these amazing healing herbs. Once again, thank you. And if you'd like to get in for the flu clinic, my phone number for scheduling is 360-798-7625. And if we're not in, you can always leave a message and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And the flu clinic dates are September 9th, September 12th, and September 29th. So keep yourself well this year, and let's quit spreading illness all around the community and keep our own families well. Thanks, and have a good day.